Hey, my name is Dr. Natalie Lopez. For this week's stretch of the week, we're going to be actually doing kind of an exercise to get the toes moving. So working those smaller muscles of our feet that we don't normally use. The weather's getting warmer, so we're starting to change our footwear, which is great to kind of mix it up. But sometimes that means like we're using sandals or other things that our toes kind of struggle with gripping. And it's always a good idea to get the toes moving, especially in winter or even whatever spring that we've been having, where your toes and stuff have been kind of cramped into shoes for a while. So a little towel, dishcloth, whatever you've got, you're going to have your toes here and you're going to slowly pull your toes and try to towel scrunch and pull that as far as you can, and then kind of keep on going through here. So idea with this is we don't want to just have our foot flopping around. Try to keep the base of where your big toe is here, base of your pinky toe and your heel down here as you're kind of moving through. You're going to lift it up a little, but I just don't want you to totally toss it around and use your whole foot, because we want to use these smaller muscles of our toes. Do I really care about like how far you're bringing it back? Not really. It's more so that you're getting the movement, especially between the toes here. And let's try this one. So here, I'm going to be pulling up towards me, trying to get the bottom of my feet working through here. So this is really good for getting the arch moving and then getting those toes to move around. And then after that, I kind of like to spread the toes, get them moving in the opposite direction, because they're always kind of in one spot. And our toes actually have similar muscles to our hands, so they have a lot of potential. We just don't really use them for that potential. So give this a try. I would honestly, like if you're not in like any acute pain, I would use this as more of like a mobility type drill / a little bit of strength. So I would do about like 5 to 8 repetitions. If you can squeeze in twice, even if you do once, that's better than nothing. And then add in 5 to 8 repetitions of lifting the toes and stretching them the other way afterwards. So let's get some happy feet for the summer. Try it out.